Hey, welcome back to Cholla Farm. Today is a big day for 6-week-old improved Kienyeji chicks. It's time for their Fowl Pox vaccine. Stick around as we walk you through the entire process step by step. If you're a poultry farmer, this is a must watch. Before we vaccinate, everything starts here, right at the fridge. This is the Fowl Pox vaccine. It has been stored at the correct temperature to keep it effective. Vaccines lose potency fast if not stored properly, so always keep them cool until you're ready to use. Stick with us as we show you how we protect our 6-week-old chicks the right way, step by step.
Welcome farmers. We want to vaccinate our chicks against Fowl Pox. This is the dose of Fowl Pox. As you can see, nimeitoa hapa ndani ya maji. This water is very cold. It's from the fridge actually. The main reason as to why it was inside this cold water is to avoid the vaccine from being denatured, to maintain temperature. Or being neutralized by the temperature. So that's why it's being taken to the fridge to maintain the temperature of the live vaccine. So this is the vaccine for Fowl Pox. Imekuja na sterile dilution. This one we add it inside here. Let's do it together, farmers. So I've now opened the vaccine. Then you now add this dilution hapa ndani. That way, then after that, so we are now shaking for the vaccine to dissolve. So now farmers, remember the rule that do not vaccinate sick birds. Actually, Fowl Pox is being given at the age of 6 weeks. So these are our birds. These are 6 weeks old. It's being given at the wing star. And while injecting, do not interfere with the intramuscular veins. So dip it inside the vaccine and then
As the team walks through the vaccination, let's break down why this step is such a game changer for poultry farmers. Fowl Pox may look like just a few spots at first, but don't be fooled. It's a stubborn viral disease that spreads fast, especially during dry seasons when mosquitoes are everywhere. It shows up as rough scabs on the comb, face, or wattles, and in more serious cases, it affects the inside of the mouth and throat, making it hard for the birds to breathe or eat. Now imagine losing your birds not because of poor feed, but because of something that could have been prevented with a simple vaccine. That's why at Cholla Farm, we vaccinate our chicks at 6 weeks using the wing web method, just like you're seeing now. It's quick, safe, and gives long-term protection. The goal is to build immunity before exposure. Prevention is always cheaper and smarter than treatment. We'll come back to check for small swelling at the injection site in about a week. That's what we call a take, a sign the vaccine has worked. And don't worry, the birds might scream a bit, but the process is quick and they'll be back to feeding in no time.
Farmers, we had only 100 doses and we are now done administering Fowl Pox vaccine. So our birds are now free from Fowl Pox. So, and the other thing I would like to urge farmers to vaccinate chicks at the exact time without skipping the vaccine. Because the more you skip the vaccine, the more your birds gets infected in the house. Another thing, while vaccinating, let's consider time. You can only vaccinate at the morning hours or evening hours when the temperature is very low. Yeah, we have got and we have also two types of vaccine. Kuna live vaccine. That live vaccine is very difficult to handle. More so if you don't have a fridge, you can't. You will just end up using normal water instead of vaccine. So it's always advisable when going for your vaccine, have a flask. Then you can also have an ice inside it if you don't have a fridge to make it cold, to make it maintain the temperature, for it not to get denatured. Yeah. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the coming clips. Nice evening.